Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SPF alignment after switching registrars, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify SPF alignment after switching registrars, begin by accessing your domain registrar's website. Log into your account using your credentials. Locate the DNS management section within your account dashboard. Find the existing SPF record associated with your domain. If you don't have an SPF record, you'll need to create one. Use the format v equals SPF1 include _SPF.example.com all, replacing example.com with your email service provider's domain. Copy the SPF record to your clipboard. Head to a dedicated SPF validation tool online. Paste your SPF record into the input box provided. Click on the Check SPF Record or equivalent button to initiate the validation process. Review the results displayed by the tool. Look for any issues or warnings that indicate problems with alignment. Ensure that your SPF record correctly lists all the servers authorized to send mail for your domain. If necessary, make adjustments in your DNS management to update the SPF record. Allow some time for the changes to propagate, typically 24 to 48 hours. Once the time has passed, return to the SPF validation tool. Run the test again to confirm that the SPF record aligns correctly. If any issues persist, recheck your DNS settings and make further adjustments as needed. Repeat the validation process until you achieve a clean report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.